Vidnani, Tarot card reader, spiritual healer. So we'll be talking about July predictions 2020 for Scorpions. So let's see what's store for Scorpion. Let me remove some few cards. Let's see. Okay, Scorpions, you are feeling cornered from all areas, be it workplace, at home. You're feeling cornered from everywhere, as if everyone is trying to corner you, no? Just relax. This is a temporary phase. After lunar eclipse, you may be showered with lots of love and affection, because I see just this temporary phase. Lunar eclipse will bring lots of positive news for you. You'll be showered with love, affection from your loved ones, by your family, and you'll feel as if you're being treasured. You know, you may just get a small pay raise or a small achievement amount which will boost and uplift your mood. You know, basically you'll feel your mood has been lifted and you radiate confidence. You are very confident, already very confident about everything what you do, but still you will feel more confident, you know. Because of your being cornered, you're feeling a little bit down, low on energy. You feel as if your confidence has gone down. But this will uplift your confidence. So just relax. Take it easy. Don't let negative thoughts rent space in your head. You know, vacate it. Okay, you can be vocal what you don't like about it, but without being very aggressive, you know, because aggression can lead that you won't be reach anything. So don't be aggressive when you want to communicate with people around you. You want to be vocal, you can be vocal, but don't be aggressive. It will hamper your relationship with your near and dear ones. So be very careful in that area. You'll find yourself, you know, being very focused in your work area. You'll find that you have a lot of energy and you'll be more creative and focused. You'll have new ideas if you have a business, and if you're working somewhere, your new ideas will be appreciated by your bosses. Okay, marital couple, you'll be very happy with each other, you'll be in harmony with each other, you know, you'll be just be very if you can control your aggression, you'll find everything in harmony in your life. With your companion, with your marital partner, you'll feel a lot of connection and you'll feel very happy about it. Okay, students, you will not be able to concentrate on studies. Little bit difficult time for you. Your concentration will not be there, and because your mind keeps wandering in all directions. There is too much energy, and when there's too much energy, our mind wanders in all directions. So calm your mind, especially students and children. You need to calm yourself. You know, you need to do drawing, painting, which will help you to relax, or whatever you're passionate about it. If you're good in game, in outdoor activities or indoor, whatever, just try to do something different to keep your mind in one focus. So work on it. And please drink lots and lots of water. I don't know, this card is showing that you'll be missing out on drinking water. So have a lot of water intake and do yoga to calm your mind. You can have jaggery and ginger, which will help you, especially in this month. Jaggery and ginger will keep your energy flowing. Ginger will give you good immunity, and jaggery is good for your health for this month. So please take that. Please intake of jaggery and ginger. See what's happening, and please just relax yourself. Don't feel that everyone is trying to corner you. Just let go of it. Just relax your mind. After the eclipse, you'll find lots and lots of positive changes coming in your life. So let's all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Whatever happens. So let's see. I will be talking to you about a mudra. So let's see how it benefits us and what is it exactly. But before that, let me give you a general idea that our body is made up of 5 elements, 5 tattva: Agni, Vayu, Akashi, Bhumi, Jala. So when there is a disturbance in our body, the body suffers when there's a disturbance of any this Agni, Vayu Tattva, all this Tattva, any is disturbed, there is high or low, then we have disturbance in our body, and then disease occur, and imbalanced mind. So by doing this mudra, how will it help you? It will create harmony among all body parts, as well as correct functioning of the entire whole body. So you can do it for 15 minutes. So this mudra will have an effect of grounding your mind and allowing you to stay focused. So just do this, hold this way, and for 15 minutes just sit calmly. Lie down if you need to, but when you're sitting you can chant Om, and if you don't want to chant, that's also fine, as Om is a universal mantra, and it's a very powerful, just that one word Om is very powerful. So just hold on to this and just let it go. And once you've done for 15 minutes, you can break it in 5 minutes also. You can do it for 5 minutes in entire day. You will find your mood being uplifted, and we all want to uplift our mood because there is so much of news that's this because of this pandemic crisis and all that. We are always stressed about it, listening to all this, we get bothered about it. So you just need to uplift your mood. So how to uplift your mood instantly? Just do this and you'll find your mood being uplifted and focus. Your life will be focused. You'll be able to plan your day where your planning will work very well for you entire day. So just do this and let me know how you feel about it. If you like my video, do subscribe, do like, do share it with your friends. Thank you very much.